Good to see you on this Thursday afternoon. A very mild day, not a whole lot of sunshine, but we'll climb to around 7, maybe even 8 degrees today for Kingston and much of eastern Ontario, and then slowly dropping off overnight, -2, and just a few clouds overhead overnight. Those clouds disperse. We'll update you right now with our futurecast images, and yeah, mostly cloudy today. We'll see a little bit of sunshine earlier this morning, and for the most part, yeah, more clouds than sun until tomorrow morning. Those clouds start to dissipate, and we're seeing a whole lot of sunshine. Not much in the way of precipitation until Sunday. I'll get to that in just a second, but yeah, temperature-wise, things really dropping off tomorrow. 7 degrees today, though, for Belleville. A mostly cloudy sky. 0 tomorrow is as good as you'll get. The average high this time of year is +4, so a little below average, and lots of sunshine to end the week, and some sunny periods to begin the weekend. Belleville getting to 4 on Saturday. That's +4 for a high. Brockville, 7 degrees today, -2, mostly clear tomorrow. Do bundle up Brockville, and then 4 degrees on Saturday. The sunny periods keep on coming, and for Smiths Falls, only getting to 6 degrees today. That's still a little above average, though, and a mostly cloudy sky. Bundle up tomorrow, Smiths Falls. Keep those extremities covered. Limit your time outdoors if you can. -3 for Friday. A mostly clear sky. I know we haven't seen highs that low in a while. And then +3 on Saturday, a mix of sun and clouds. For Kingston, we'll get to 7 degrees today, mostly cloudy. Mostly clear tomorrow with a high of just -1, and then 4 on Saturday, a mix of sun and clouds. Sunday, we're looking at up to 5 millimeters of rain, also a high of 4, and then slipping to 3 on Monday. Could see a rain-snow mix to begin the week.
Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Temperatures well above normal, nice and mild across the region today, but that's going to change. We've got a chance of flurries tonight thanks to a cold front, and that's going to bring the temperatures down, but it's going to clear things up too. Sunny and cold tomorrow, not cool, cold. We'd be lucky to see daytime highs rise above freezing. Increasing cloud on Saturday can lead to some showers mixed with flurries as temperatures drop again late Sunday. Sunny Monday, but cooling even further. We may see that, those daytime highs hovering around, freezing or just above, become more a common thing and not a little blip like we're seeing tomorrow. Yes, look at all that cooler air in the north. It's all going to seep into this region. Not today, though. 8 in Belleville, Kingston, Brockville, 6 in Smiths Falls, 4 in Ottawa, 7 in Peterborough, Oshawa, and Toronto. Everybody's sort of in that same range and above normal. Sitting at 7 right now, those west winds moving moderately at 24 kilometers per hour, and partly cloudy conditions. No precipitation today, but the grand total for yesterday's showers and drizzle about 18 millimeters. I think we were saying 16 millimeters at this time yesterday, but there was still a little more in the bank, and we did receive that through the latter part of the day. We've got those final numbers for you, and yes, we've lost a couple more minutes of daylight as well. So here comes we've had, it'll be 2 cold fronts in as many days. So the first one moved through, brought you all that rain and a little bit of the slush. Areas to the north and to the east saw a whole lot more of the slush, snow, ice pellets, and extended periods of freezing rain. But for Belleville and Kingston, right along the north shores of Lake Ontario, it was fairly mild, and so it was primarily rain once temperatures started to rise. This secondary cold front moving through tonight, because we just had a cold front, we're not going to see a whole lot of active weather. It's not slamming into a bunch of warm air, so to speak. I mean, we were around 7 or 8 degrees, but not double digits. And so you will see that 40% chance of a flurry tonight. The big impact this is going to have is that continued troughing of cool air out of the north. That's going to bring temperatures down, and like I said earlier, you'd be lucky to see daytime highs across eastern Ontario rise above 0. High pressure trying to give you some sunshine tomorrow, but it starts to track east-southeast into late Friday, Saturday, and that's when we start to see that increase in cloud, and that's when we start to see, thanks to the warm front, a good chance of showers. As temperatures drop, though, it might turn out to be a mix. You could see some wet flurries, especially away from the lake. So this is what we're sitting at now, cloudy conditions, but some breaking in that. Some partly cloudy, clearing in fact. By morning, we're looking at really nice conditions. You can see behind me, though, little activity. That cold front sweeping across the upper Great Lakes could trigger some flurries. Peterborough, Toronto, Pickering, all of them looking at that probability of some lake effect flurries from the upper Great Lakes. But for us, it'll be primarily mainly sunny conditions. And into Saturday, we see that increase in cloud. then, yeah, we get that probability of precipitation into Sunday. Belleville, high 0 tomorrow, mainly sunny conditions. Northwest winds 20 to 40 kilometers per hour tomorrow. So, yeah, that 0 is probably going to feel more like a -5, -6. Saturday, +4, sunny start, but an increase in cloud. And Sunday, a high 6 with a pretty good chance of showers turning to flurries as temperatures cool. Brockville up to -2 degrees tomorrow, mainly sunny. Everybody's getting a cool day tomorrow. Saturday, high 4, mix of sun and cloud. For Sunday, a high 5, and you could see some evening wet flurries. Smiths Falls, high -3 tomorrow, mainly sunny, and a mix of sun and cloud for Saturday as you rise to +4, thanks to the warm front from that low in the north. Sunday, a high 4 again, mostly cloudy, but there is a chance of wet flurries in the evening. Kingston, your forecast. A chance of flurries tonight, a small probability, 40%, and then it moves on and we see some clearing and cooling. -1 at best for a daytime high, feeling like a -6 with those northwest winds gusting to 40 at times. Saturday, mainly sunny to start the day, but that cloud will increase quickly. A high of 4 up to 5. Sunday, a good chance of showers mixed with wet flurries as temperatures drop late in the day. Monday, it's a high 4 with a chance of mixed precipitation. And for Tuesday, up to 0, mostly cloudy. Up to 0 again Wednesday, we could see showers, flurries, maybe a risk of freezing rain. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 1. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Lisa Stout sends this win in from, she's from Sydenham, but she managed to capture this lovely picture of the SS Keewatin dock down at the Marine Museum.
Right. And that
Lovely
is,
perspective. I love that.
Lovely. It's hard to capture that. That ship is so big, too, to get that all in one shot, Bill, because we've been down there, and yeah, just with a regular camera, you have to stand really far back. Or look at it from that perspective to get that image. And it's going to be, I'm sure, one of Kingston's top tourist attractions when it opens to public tours, I believe in May. So they're working towards that date. So the forecast, though, not too bad when you consider the time of year that we're in, Bill. The next few days, pretty calm, you would say?
Yeah, nothing really that crazy going on. We've got that small chance of flurries tonight. It cools off, then it warms up. And any of the probability of precipitation we see, it still doesn't want to be one or the other. Right. It's sitting on the fence. We've got the shower turning to flurry. It always seems to be shower at the high point of the day, and the earlier hours or later hours where it's cooler, it wants to be more of a flurry.
Okay, well, at least you don't have to shovel the showers. Soon enough, that will come. All right, thank you, Bill, and your 10-day outlook is coming up later as well. It's the end of one month and the start of another in Bill's 10-day outlook.
And a cool start, too. As we roll into Friday, temperatures drop. We see a trace of flurries tonight, then clearing thanks to the same cold front that brought the flurries. Only a high -1 in Kingston. I don't think there's a spot in eastern Ontario that's going to see a daytime high above freezing. Saturday, a high 4 and a sunny start, but an increase in cloud leads to mixed precipitation over Sunday with a high 5 starting in showers, possibly mixing with flurries as it cools off through the day. Monday, a high 4, mixed precipitation still on the table at 70% probability. Tuesday, cooler, a high 0, mostly cloudy, up to 0 again Wednesday with a chance of mixed precipitation and only 30%. Thursday, a high 1, mix of sun and cloud. Then the chance of mixed precipitation returns over Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of next week with highs of 2 all 3 days.
And of course, a month from Saturday is Christmas. Is it me, Shauna, or is it the season creeping up very fast?
It really, really is. And I'm very happy to see the forecast that, Bill, you've delivered for Saturday, because we have 2 things to get done on Saturday. We have leaves to finish, and then we got to do the Christmas lights as well. So it's looking as though Saturday
and somewhere
could be...
fit some Christmas shopping in there somewhere, right?
Yeah, right, exactly.
Well, no,
or are you done already?
Shauna starts in what, June or something?
Yeah. Yeah, come on, guys. Yeah, well, I mean, tomorrow's a big shopping day, too. Yeah, but yeah, leaves and lights,
leaves,
Saturday.
Lights, and a little shop.
Leaves and lights. It is that season where it crosses over, right? You got to get fall put away before you can really focus on the season. We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Well, here's the second cold front in as many days, and the second one's really going to help to bring those temperatures down. Because we had one just a day ago, or in the last 24 hours, we're really not seeing a huge impact from this, but it will be a big change in temperature. There is a 40% chance of some flurries overnight as a result of it, but the big change comes with that cool air mass that's moving in. You'd be lucky to see daytime highs rise above freezing tomorrow. We hope to see some sunshine. Most of us looking at mainly sunny or a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. High pressure continues to track in, but the ridge of high pressure extended to this from the south to the north is a dirty ridge, and so you're still going to see some cloud coverage. We will get that increasing cloud over Saturday, which could lead to some precipitation come Sunday. Again, a mix starting off as showers and turning to flurries as temperatures drop late in the day. Belleville, it's a high 0 tomorrow, mainly sunny. For Saturday, an increasing cloud, and that could lead to mixed precipitation Sunday as you rise to a high of 6 Celsius, falling to 1 that night. That could be mixed precipitation as a result of the drop in temperatures. Brockville, a high -2 tomorrow. Yeah, chilly, but sunny. Mainly sunny conditions. Saturday, a high 4, mix of sun and cloud. Sunday, rising to 5 Celsius, and you'll see some evening flurries Sunday night. Smiths Falls, -3 and mainly sunny. Those northwest winds at about 20 kilometers per hour. For Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 3 up to 4 degrees. Sunday, mostly cloudy, and evening flurries are possible. Kingston, your forecast, mainly sunny tomorrow, a cool one, -1's your high, feeling like a -6. Saturday, sunny to start, but the increasing cloud will lead to some mixed precipitation Sunday with a high 5. 4 degrees Monday as that chance of precipitation continues. Just cloudy with sunny periods Tuesday with a high 1, up to 0 on Wednesday as mixed precipitation moves in. And for Thursday, it's just a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 1.